Hello. Today I will be teaching you about 5 different religions. These 5 different religions are Confucianism, Islam, Judaism, Hinduism, and Christianity. So let's begin with Confucianism. What is Confucianism? Confucianism is a philosophy based on mutual respect and kindness towards others. Who started Confucianism? Confucius, also known as Kong Qi. He was a Chinese philosopher, teacher, and political figure. Where did Confucianism begin? Confucianism was developed in China by Master Kong, who was given the name Confucius by Jesuit missionaries who were visiting there. When did Confucianism begin? Confucianism began in 479 BC, but however, the fundamental principles of Confucianism began before his birth. How was the religion Confucianism spread? Confucius wrote 5 books explaining this religion, but after his unfortunate death, Musonius and Zunzi spread Confucius's teachings. The next religion I will be teaching you about is Islam, so let's continue. Islam. What is Islam? Islam is the religion of the Muslims and is also monotheistic. Islam is an Abrahamic monotheistic religion teaching which only believes in one God. Who founded Islam? The founder of Islam is Muhammad. Muhammad is thought of as the messenger of God. Islam is also world's second largest religion with over 1.9 billion followers. Where was Islam founded? Islam's birthplace or place of origin is current-day Saudi Arabia, but when it was founded, it was called Mecca, and the finding of it was in the 7th century. How did Islam spread amongst the world? Muslim traders while on the Silk Road conversed about Islam, and it spread very far because the trade system was a very great invention. Third on our list of teaching is Judaism. So let's go there. Judaism. What is Judaism? Judaism is the ethnic religion of the Jewish people. Judaism is also world's oldest monotheistic religion. When was Judaism found? Judaism began about 4,000 years ago with Hebrew people in the Middle East. Who founded Judaism? Abraham. A Hebrew man is considered the father of the Jewish faith. Where was Judaism originated? Judaism was originated in Israel. How? How was Judaism spread? Judaism was spread by being dispersed in lands around the Mediterranean Sea, or because during the diaspora, the Jewish people were wandering the deserts and making their own communities to survive amongst themselves. Why was Judaism founded? Judaism was founded due to people, the Judaism religion believing that God made a special covenant with Abraham and that he and his descendants were chosen people who would create a great nation. Fourth on this list is Hinduism. Now, what is Hinduism? Hinduism is an Indian religion and dharma, or way of life. Who founded Hinduism? Interestingly, Hinduism has no one founder, but is a fusion of various people's beliefs. When was Hinduism founded? Hinduism is thought to have originated between 2300 BC or 1500 BC. Where was Hinduism founded? Hinduism began in India and is developed from a religion that the Aryans brought to India. How was the Hinduism religion spread? Aryans who invaded the Indus Valley civilization brought Hinduism to India and settled along the banks of the Indus River, making it easier to spread their knowledge of Hinduism. Why was Hinduism founded? A social hierarchy based on divisions of labor appeared, and those who fell in no category were labeled untouchables, and the rules of this caste system boosted the practice of Hinduism itself. Now we will be continuing on to the fifth and final religion, which is Christianity. What is Christianity? Christianity is the religion based on the person and teachings of Jesus of Nazareth, or its believings and practices. Who founded Christianity? Jesus himself is thought to be the founder of Christianity, but commissioned his apostles to spread it throughout the world. When was Christianity founded? Christianity was founded 1st century AD after Jesus died as a Jewish sect in Judea, but quickly spread throughout the Roman Empire. Where was Christianity founded? Christianity was founded in the Middle East, with it first being involved in the ministry of Jesus. Why was Christianity founded? Christianity was founded to spread the worship of God and his son Jesus. And how will be the final question. How was Christianity spread? Jesus had told his apostles before his death to spread Christianity throughout the world, and that is how so many people know Christianity of current day. Christianity is also known as the biggest and most major religious group, with the number of followers being 2.4 billion, which is a very fascinating number. Now we will go through the causes and effect of each religion, first starting off with Confucianism. The effect Confucianism had was Confucianism built on an ancient religious foundation to establish the social values, institutions, and transcendent ideals of traditional Chinese society. And the cause of Confucianism, or what caused Confucianism to rise, was the Han dynasty and upper class appearance that associated with Confucianism. Now we will go on to Islam. The cause of Islam was Muhammad's death, and those of imams who intermingled with local population, which boosted Islam's, it boosted its practices, and the effect Islam had on the society was it increased trades and facilitated the rise of larger empires in one area. Now we will continue on to Judaism. A cause of Judaism was Jews believed that God made a special covenant with Abraham, and the effect would be social reform, and Judaism was the first to fight for inequality for everyone. Now we will continue on to Hinduism. What was a cause of Hinduism? Hinduism is the religion which came after the social hierarchy, which based on divisions of labor. And if you did not fall in any category, they threw you into a category called the untouchables, which was the bottom, which is now would probably be considered anybody that has no wealth at all. And this came due to Hinduism being a fusion of various beliefs. So it could be any of your beliefs, but you have to succeed in a certain way of life to continue it being considered under Hinduism. Now we will be continuing on to the final and last religion that we must talk causes and effects on, which is Christianity. The causes of Christianity are mostly reported as early church, 18th and 19th century missionary movement, and post-Constantine. Post-Constantine made Christianity legal, became a Christian himself, and eventually led the Roman Empire, effectively making Christianity the state religion of Rome. And the effect Christianity had is the revolution of your natural, normal human life now. Like, for example, he made revolution in work, revolution in your current home, basically your natural life and surroundings. So, this will be my ending, and hopefully you learned a couple brand new things that you did not know from this video. Thank you and goodbye.